Oh, oh, oh. When life gets heavy and the days feel long, you hold me close and I find my song. You don't just guard me from what I see, you cover my soul silently. You don't preach, you pray, you don't push, you stay. The way you cover me, I feel peace. You speak my name when I'm fast asleep. Heaven hears you before I do. Your love is loud even in the quiet too. The way you cover me feels holy, feels true. Oh, 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 oh. You lay your hands not just on me, but on the altar where you leave me free. No chains, no fear, no guilt to bear. Just a love that kneels in midnight prayer. You fight without fists. You love like this. The way you cover me, I feel peace. You speak my name when I'm fast asleep. Heaven hears you before I do. Your love is loud even in the quiet too. The way you cover me feels holy. I never had to ask you to see me. You saw the me I was still becoming. You stood in front when I couldn't speak, and now I'm standing finally free. The way you cover me, I rise like a flame touched by the sky.